Hello dear friends, how are you doing? So I just finished with the session and I was driving. I wanted to show you this very beautiful area and also to give you some ideas. I tried to do live, unfortunately I couldn't do because it's really bad connection, but let me see here. So right now, as you can see, there is the sun. It's really beautiful, you can see the water there. It's really nice, and here it's really beautiful as well. So if you're planning to take pictures of your furry kids, I definitely would suggest that somewhere here would be really nice, and you're going to have this tree in the picture also with a nice beautiful background and also different shades of green, from light green because the sunset it's actually coming here. You're going to have also the darker green, super darker green, and the different shades of blue, which of course it's really nice. So I would probably try to take pictures somewhere here, when let's see if I can do from a nice angle. This is really beautiful. You can see, you can even try to use this tree like a nice framing. So when you take pictures here, and so the idea is that always look around. That's what it is. You just try to look around and you'll be surprised what you're going to see. So this is a very nice area there, you can see here, but so a couple of things you have to keep in mind. So first of all, you can see super windy, and that was my challenge when I was doing my session. So this is really nice here, but the problem is, to be honest with you, it's that you have to be very cautious with these rocks because you don't want to hurt your furry kids, right? So safety comes first, and this is the reason why I probably would try to take it from an angle where you can still see the rocks, but those rocks are not really, like, just be careful. Bottom line, just be careful. But this is nice, and then with this tree, it's really beautiful. And if you really look at, everything here, it's really very beautiful, right? So I hope this is very helpful. So just think creative, look at sea, like if you really, like this is really nice angle here. So just good luck. Think out of the box, take pictures one place, and then I can even say bye to my awesome clients I just photographed. And then so take the picture in one place, they try to find another place, and this is how you're going to be able to take really amazing pictures. And then try to keep your angle, because look at the lighting now. It's really beautiful because the sunset, it's right now there. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and I will see you next time. This is Vasi from Pet Pics Academy.